Before we get into this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hello, Candy Toys here, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be doing an unpackaging and product review of Capezio tap shoes. So let's get started. And usually the first thing we do is examine the box, but this is just in a simple shoe box, so there's nothing to it, and there isn't any tape to take off. So I'm just going to open the lid and let's get started looking at the shoes. Now these are tap shoes for a little kid, and they do have them in adult sizes, but these are the ones that are for my daughter. My daughter is really into music and she likes to dance, so I decided to get her into tap dancing since the kids here anyway are still at home and won't be going to school very soon in the fall, maybe later in the fall, but early fall they'll still be here. So getting some exercise in and some extracurricular activities is a great thing, so I thought I'd get her these tap shoes. So let's pull one out. So this is the first one. Let's go to the right side. So I'm going to sit this down, and then let's go ahead and pull off the other one, the left side. Okay. Sit those down, and then I'll show you exactly what they look like. Okay. So, you know, they come with the little stuff in there to keep them stretched out, and then also the little stretcher thing here. So these I can move out the way, and then it comes with the little silica packages to keep them dry in transit. And let's see, you know, they're really nice design. It's patent leather, you can see, and yeah, it has a little nice little string, simple to tie and untie. And then this one is the same. So let's go ahead and flip them over to the back. And there is that classic, let's see if you can see it, that classic little tap heel. I always thought these were so cute, like tap shoes. They're so cute. So it has the metal here and here, and then it has engraved the name of the company, which is Capezio Tap. It says Teletoe Tap. And then this one is the same. So, and these here are a size 3. And these also come in different colors. They have these in white, and then they have them in like a khaki color or a kind of a beige color. I don't think it comes in any other colors than that. And they have just a little heel right here on them. You can see that. It's just both of them together. Yeah, it's just a slight heel, see? But it gives you a little bit of height. You can hear it on here. So I'm going to talk a little bit about some history about tap. Tap have a lot of culture, and it's kind of a forgotten art. Many people don't know some of the history of tap, but one of the histories of tap is that during the slave time in the U.S., this tap was started here in the U.S. Some also say that maybe it was started in France. Let's see, not France, but in Ireland. I just brought this laptop so you can just hear them first. This is what it sounds like here. Pretty cute, huh? Okay, so during slavery, a lot of slaves had their percussion instruments taken away from them, so they decided to start using their shoes to tap. The original tap shoes were made of wood. Like they would either put wood at the bottom of their shoes so that they can form that sound, and it produced a different type of sound. Later on, tap went on to be in like minstrel shows and vaudeville shows and things like that. And a lot of times it was combined with Irish jigging. Not sure if you're familiar with that, but one of the well-known tap dancers is Bojangles, Bill Bojangles Robinson. If you're not really familiar with him, I'll insert a picture here, but he's most notably named or known for dancing with Shirley Temple. So if you can look at this picture right here, that's him. He would dance with Shirley Temple. What happened was, back when he first started dancing in the early 1900s, he had to perform with a person. Black people could not perform alone, so they had to perform with a partner. And he performed with a partner, and they toured all over. But him and his partner had got into like a disagreement over things, and he wanted to try to go out on his own. So when he decided to go out on his own, he was surprised at how popular he would be, and he became a major celebrity. And that's when he started getting roles in movies. Most of the movies, again, being the Shirley Temple movies where he was dancing at. So a lot of people also don't know that tap dancing has a national holiday, and George Bush named a holiday after Bojangles. So May 25th is the day that it's celebrated nationally. That is National Tap Dancing Day. So every year, that's when it's celebrated, National Tap Dancing Day. So just a little history for you. Okay, so these are the shoes, and what I'm going to try to do what I'm going to do also is try to insert some more of the history for you to see.
I went to the market for to get some beef, and the beef so tough, and I couldn't get enough. I paid $5 for a great big hog, and the hog so fat, and I couldn't get back. All right. Are you ready?
Yep.
Come on. Say.
And then I'm going to let my daughter try on these shoes, and then you're going to see her tapping in them. And
So that will do it for us today. We hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and review of Capezio tap shoes, as well as the history. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video with all of those you think may be interested in it. All in all, we feel like the top shoes were a great buy. My daughter could not take them off, or would not take them off. She even wanted to sleep with them. She just loves the shoes. If you'd like to get these shoes, we'd leave a link down below in the description. So we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.